Okay, number 16. As I'm putting these guys in the Google slide, number 16 has a very low passing rate, like 30%. And I think a big one here is just how we approach it. A little messy, that one, right? Okay, so if I'm looking at 16, I'm going to read it. And one of the things I'm noticing, for example, it says here, I have no more than $450 to spend on this party. That means no more than $450. Whatever I'm going to put over here has to be less than that 450, and in this case, less than or equal to less than 450. So I already know the number of guests. What is the number? X, the number of guests that can attend the party. It's got to be a less than answer. So these guys aren't it. A lot of the students pick C as the answer because they're trying to determine the symbol, which way does it go. But Arnold can spend, so it's going to be what I can spend is no more than 450, right? And how much am I going to spend? Well, the fee to rent the theater is 150, and the food is $12 per guest. $12 per guest, which they're going to call X, right? X, the number of guests. This is what I got to solve. And hopefully your teachers use tiles to teach this. If not, hopefully they'll consider it for next year. But in the meantime, it was just an issue just setting up the problem. So this will be minus 150. Minus 150. You bring down your 12x. There's no flip-flop here because it's a positive 12x. This is going to give me what, 300? Yeah, 300. And we're going to divide that by 12. And then x will be less than whatever this is going to give me, right? It's not 50. So it'll be 25. So how do we get the 25? Well, I'm one of those guys that likes to do the area model. 12 times, let's take a look here. 12 times, I don't know why I put 25. 12 times, let's go with, I can do 10, right? 10, which is going to be 120. So I got 300 minus 120. That's a 0. 30 minus 12 is 18, so 180. Plus another 10. There's another 180. Plus, so let's see here. Let's see, is it 180? No, it's 120, chicken genius. It's like, then I'm done, right? But it's 120. And then I still have 180 left over, but so another 10 will give me 120. Then that's 60. Then 12 times 5 is 60. And that gives me that number that I want, which is going to be that 25. And then I just know that 50 is too big. Okay, so I do the error model when I work these out and so on. So x will be less than or equal to 25. So if I'm going to pay 150 for the place and it's $12 per customer, at $12 per customer, $12 per customer, I can 25 people can attend. And that's it. Only 25 or less can attend this party. That's this one, and hopefully we'll do better this year. Again, it's just understanding that no more than 450. So a lot of students did give me the 25, they just put the wrong inequality. So just understand how we read the inequality. And again, please don't teach alligator and things like that because it doesn't work. We get them in secondary math, and they never got the alligator. You just have to use the right language. Is less than, is greater than, and so on. Hope this video helps.